Today I prepared for you my dad's beef rib recipe, which is my favorite. I absolutely hated meat growing up, and this was the only way that my dad could get me to eat steak. Liberally sprinkle garlic powder, salt, and pepper, and just zhuzh it up into that meat. Massage it in like you are making this for the people who you love the most. Fire up that grill, but not too hot, because this is going to be a labor of love. And when it looks like this, just give it a flipperoo. Stop what you're doing right now. Oh, Sweet Baby Ray's came out with a no added sugar barbecue sauce. I was so excited because it tastes so good. Sauce both sides of your ribs. How long you cook it is up to you because it depends on how you like your meat cooked. When you're getting close to the end, turn that heat up. You want to caramelize the barbecue sauce. Eric likes his cooked medium. Morgan and I love ours medium rare. Bon appetit. Like and follow for more recipes.